Hello, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, Smick Creations. I finally got the Spirit of Jimmy done, and I would appreciate you liking and sharing it, comment, ding on that subscribe. I like to know how I did. I'm sure there's a lot of woodworkers on here. But anyhow, hope y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Thank you very much. So this was the first thing I did from what I call raw wood and incorporating a burn into it. It was difficult for me. I don't have a lot of experience, and well, I'm just glad I got it completed. This was the first time I used Danish oil. It by itself is pretty easy to work with. And then for the top side, I did a mix, which had never done before. I think it's decent. It was a bit difficult because this wood has so many different facets in the top of it. So for me, it made it hard to see what the finish was doing.